So traders, this video is not for people who do not have a particular strategy that they are trading and that is working for them, right? I'm going to address one key thing that makes your journey to profitability a very long one. Now that particular thing is your ability to wait. Most traders do not have that patience. They do not have that patience to sit down on their systems, on their laptops, watching charts from morning to afternoon to evening and then not taking any trade. They always want action, they always want to do something. If you don't address that issue, you're on a long thing, a very long thing, right? Because it's going to cost you a lot. In that you see a trade or a setup which looks like your own, but you know within yourself that this setup I'm looking at is not complete. But then you'll be like, let me just let you not just anything, because that's your just is going to cost you a lot more than you think. You might take that trade and it swings into profit and you're like, amazing. No, it's not amazing. You take this one today and it works out fine. Then you're like, okay, I saw this sort of thing yesterday. Hey, let me try it again today. And you try it again and stop loss. You try the next day, stop loss. You try it another day, stop loss. You just keep hitting stops, right? Once in a while it could swing into profits, but that is not your strategy. That is not what works. Stop jumping into trades. Stop forcing trades that you know that are not accurate. You need to be able to wait to see everything that you need on your strategy to form completely on the charts, right? If you need to wait for A to show up, wait for it. If you need to wait for B, wait for it. To wait for C, wait for it. And finally your entry in D. Perfect. If you take that trade and it goes into stop loss, you will know within yourself that this setup was complete, this setup was full, everything was accurate. But then the market is very unpredictable. You just do your part and let the market do its part, right? Now, this trade is going to be a winner most of the times. Why? Because it's a proven strategy. It's something you've worked with and you know that it works. But like I said, the market is very unpredictable. You can never predict 100% the accuracy of the market, right? So yours is to wait for these setups to form completely. Once these setups form, once A forms, once B forms, once C forms, take your entry in D and wait peacefully. Most of the times, this is going to work out fine and much better than you forcing trades that you know within yourself is not going to play out just because you want some action in the market. This is going to make your journey to profitability very, very short, I assure you. It's going to make it very, very short. See you guys on the next one.